Hey kids, today I'm gonna review something that you aren't very familiar with. Today we're gonna be reviewing the RCA Small Wonder Camcorder EZ1100 or whatever. Not whatever. Anyways, this is the EZ1100 and yeah, this camera is very something. It's like a handheld with a wrist strap for some reason. And it probably came out since 2011. And yeah. Anyways, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Ooh. As you can see now, the quality is pretty decent. And we have numbers or time. And you know, this time reminds me of something. Oh well. Anyways, to record a video, all you have to do is press this red button, and then it'll do the rest. And now we're recorded. Well, really recording. Look at that quality. Oh, you can zoom into. And yeah. Anyways, let's see playback. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Anyways, let's see playback. Yep. That's the camera, alright. You can barely hear the sound because of the low speaker. And that's that. Also, you can take photos. Come on. And you can take pictures like this. And you can also zoom in. So, yeah. And that's what it looks like. And also, here's the fun part. The TV mode. Well, I do have a TV mode. All I add is the VCR. And that thing works. Anyways, I'm gonna hook it up with this thing and yeah. And now, let's see the magic. Yup. That's the TV mode, alright. Here's the photos and videos that are already taken. Here's the video that was played earlier. You can turn up the volume and down. See? You get the idea. Yeah. Oh, cannot forget about the menu. I have nothing to do with this. So yeah. That's that. And now I have something to show you for extras. Private reasons.
Yes, it is. I have no idea where it came from, but I don't know. It's still bad. Oh boy, getting late from 7 after. Let's go to bed and move today more night tomorrow. Okay. Well, said. Let's brush your teeth and videos of car sales, wherever videos, cassettes are sold. And stay tuned for more episodes of car sales coming your way. This book was not associated produced by Big Idea Productions.
Well, that was the RCA Small Wonder EZ1100 whatever camcorder, and it's pretty good, almost. So yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. Until the next time, where I will review, or maybe not, the Vivid Star camcorder. What do you have to say about this?